Okay, so this video is doing number 1 on your sheet. It's an example on how to use a velocity time graph, a VT graph, to find acceleration. And the way we're going to find acceleration here in number 1 is to calculate the slope of the graph. All right, so one thing we should notice, if we zoom in, squint here on the bottom left, is that this line does not go through the origin. It does not go through 0, 0. All right, so we're gonna need, we can't use 0, 0 as one of our points. We need 2 points to calculate the slope between, okay? So let's find a point on the graph here where this line crosses a grid line, and we'll draw a dot there. So the first place I see is right here, right above the 3 seconds, and 2 lines down from the 10 on the left. So I'm going to draw a dot there, and I see a point right here. All right, so I want to know, what are those points? All right, so this one's at 3 seconds. This one is at, well, what is it? Each box left to right is 1 second, right? So this is 20, that's 15. So this would be 19, 18 seconds. All right. And let's look on the side here. Oh, that point is at 30 meters per second on the y-axis, and it is at, each box going up, we should notice, is worth 2. So this is at 6 meters per second right there. All right. So the rise is from 6 to 30. So that would be a rise of 24 meters per second. And the run is from 3 over to 18. So how much does it go over? 3 to 18 is 15 seconds. So the run is 15 seconds. Now in our calculator, we could do 24 over 15. And that gets us 1.6. And it's an acceleration. So it's 1.6 meters per second squared is the unit for acceleration. All right, guys? So to summarize, find 2 points where your line crosses grid lines on the graph. Find out what the x and the y of those points are. Figure out your rise. Figure out your run. Divide them. And you get your acceleration.